Class 6A conducted today's assembly, which began with a heartfelt Bible reading by Ivana Mariam Varghese. This was followed by a prayer led by Shraddha P. Vibin, setting a positive tone for the day. Ritik VR shared an inspiring thought. Devanjana PS presented valuable information, broadening the students' knowledge on various topics. Thomas C. Anthony introduced today's word, enhancing the students' vocabulary. Joya Mariam led the pledge and Sanha Fatima delivered the news, keeping students updated on current events. The assembly also celebrated birthdays of students, wishing them a wonderful year ahead. Additionally, prizes were distributed to winners of the handwriting and quiz competition, recognizing their achievements. The assembly concluded with some exercises, energizing the students for the day ahead. That's all from the newsroom. Thank you and have a wonderful day.